Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today I am going to clean the EGR unit. Now it's situated just down here and I've just got to take off the lead, and apparently there's two hex 30mm bolts, so I'm just going to attempt to take all this off. So if your engine light does come on and you've got an OBDII reader and this is the code, then it's obviously got something to do with your EGR valve or electrical system around the area. So in my case, it's dirty, so you'll actually see that in the video. Anyway, let's not hang around any longer and let's get stuck in. 'Cause I'm on mission like the 007. No, it's not the coronavirus. So first of all, just disconnected the battery, and I've just sort of flicked this sort of yellow tab. And now I'm just going to pull the electrics off. I did sort of just use a screwdriver just to ease it off. It's just for filming purposes to show you. Now I found it easy to use. The torque's 30. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so that was fairly easy to get out. Now it's incredibly sort of gunked up, so I'm just going to give it a bit of a clean. I might take this unit off, but I need to see if there's any sort of springs or anything in it. I don't know yet. I'll have to check that before I dismantle it. So I've just taken the little O-ring, so if you go in the hole you'll actually see the O-ring, and that's a bit sort of coked up, so I'm going to clean all that as well. That goes sort of that side, so this is filthy. I'm not going to take this apart yet, because if the engine light goes again then I might strip it down a bit more, but these are quite expensive. They're like 150, 170 quid. And probably some aftermarket ones are a bit cheaper, but I'm just going to use EGR cleaner now and just clean all this up. Okay, so I've cleaned this up as much as I possibly can. Looks a lot better now. Made sure this O-ring is clean and is going back the same way. I didn't take these screws off. I don't know what will be behind that. I can't even look it on the internet, so I'm not going to go down that rabbit hole. So I'm just going to put it all back on and see, you know, cancel the code and see how it goes. Okay, so I've just tightened up the bolts. A little bit tricky to get to. Kind of really needs small dainty hands, but I don't have that. I'm just gonna try and get that on as best I can. Just use a big screwdriver. It's gone in. Right, It's all back in. Right, let's give it a try. I'm going to put all this back on. And yeah, see how it goes. Okay, so I've just deleted all the codes. And no engine light as yet. So I'll keep an eye on it, see how it goes. There we go, another job done. Well, thank you all guys for watching, and I hope you sort of learned something from it. But yeah, watch out for the next video.